restoring the air conditioning in this 2004 Civic, I believe it is. Customer just put his own compressor on, didn't change the dryer, and the dryer has actually come apart in the side and pushed the desiccant material up into the expansion valve. So that's why this thing wasn't cooling, and we're getting a new evaporator while we're in here. Unfortunately, you can't get it from the dealer anymore. Got one of those close enough Chinesium evaporators. Just gonna take a little bit of persuasion to get it to line up. The story of my life.